Hello, welcome to Meyalog. In this video, we're going to go through all things that can be done on the receiving page. The very first thing that you'll see when you open the receiving page is you'll see your IPL list if you have made any before, but it's your first time, then you'll just see the blank list. But no worries, you can start to make one. Now, let's dig in. These buttons are filter related. All these three buttons can be used to find the IPL data that you specifically want to check. And the clear filter button can be used to clear the filter that you've added before. Feel free to add a new one or just leave it blank. And now let's move to the next one. This button is used to import or add your new inbound packing list. Here's how to import your IPL or inbound packing list. Click on the Import IPL button. Click the Choose File button to pick and choose the Excel IPL you'd like to import if you already have it. But if you have no file yet, you can just download the template and add your data to that template. Make sure to use the same format as a template to prevent any issue when importing the IPL Excel to system. And the last thing to do is click on the Import button, and now your packing list production is ready. The next button is Receiving Log. You can use this button to keep an eye on your receiving data history, like what was done by whom and at what date was it done. Last but not least is Action. This button can be used to do an action about your packing list production data. Two things you can do with this button are approve and complete receiving. Feel free to use what you need. You can approve or complete your received data by clicking the receiving data row till it's blue colored, then go to Action, and the last step is choosing to approve or complete, which suits your need. And now we'll talk about the last thing, which is going through your IPL data. You can sort your IPL data list by clicking on the column you wanted it to be listed based on the IPL number, IPLQ, TYA, etc. Next, you can check your IPL data by clicking on the IPL number. Once you click it, your IPL details pop up, will be shown. Feel free to check them out. If you're looking for a specific article or product, you can all these filters to find it. You can also download IPL details by clicking the Download PDF or Download Excel, which suits your need. Well, huffed, that's all about receiving page. See you in the next tutorial.
The next step is still focused on the receiving page, but this tutorial will show you how to prepare for the scan. The first thing you need to know is if you click the batch detail example, CMV11, there will be more information about order details such as supplier code, article name, article code, location, production, receipt, balance production quantity. Then, if you are done checking details on the received page, go to the setting page to prepare for the product scan. Before you can do the product scan, the first thing that you need to do is create a picker. You can go through the settings page and click the Add New Picker button to create a new picker. Picker is a user that picks and scans the product. You can create a picker by adding PIN, username, picker name, and position such as picker or supervisor picker. After adding all the details, you can save the data and try to search for the newest picker in the search bar. If there is, activate the picker in order to scan the barcode to get a token for the picking system. Okay, that's all the explanation for preparing for a scan. Receiving process with scanner. This receiving process uses a device to scan the barcode. Ensure you have a token in https://meyalog.com/picking QR code, and you can input your token here https://pick.meyaboo.com. Feel free to log in with your username and password. On the home page, we can choose receiving. For the box list, we can choose one by one the box that we want to process. Scan the article barcode, and it will appear the pick location of the article. Go to the pick location and scan the barcode in the pick location. Then we will see how many products have to scan.
kita udah masuk ke dalam boxnya. Di sini ada
Then you need to get the item from the pick location and scan the barcode. If you are done scanning, click to finish receiving. Go back to the other box list and do the same thing.
Jadi sisa satu box yang kedua. Kita klik ke save.
Okay, this step will show you the process after product picking is complete. After finishing with the picking system, you can go back to Meyalog on the receive page to check if the picked pieces and scanned pieces are the same. For example, in IPL number CMV41 the IPL quantity and received quantity has the same amount. This means that the received quantity already has the appropriate amount with the IPL quantity. If you are still wondering, IPL or inbound packing list quantity is the amount of quantity that needs to be picked, and received quantity is the amount of quantity that has been scanned. If you need more detailed information, you can also check the details by bulk in the batch number, for example, CMV41, and see the production and received quantity. After those details checking, the next step that you need to do is go to the Action button and then complete the receiving. If it has been successful, we can approve the receiving by clicking the Action button too. Before moving into the next step, make sure all of these two actions are successful. You can also check the history on the receiving page by clicking the Receiving Logs button. All the data that has been received will move to the stock page. So that's all about the function of the receive page. Next, we will explain the function of the picking page.